Ever heard of the mermaid legend? This creature might be where it all began, and it's real. This is the dugong, a gentle sea mammal that lives in the warm coastal waters of Southeast Asia. It spends its life gliding slowly through shallow seas, grazing on seagrass. Peaceful, graceful, and almost invisible, but now it's in danger. Polluted oceans, disappearing seagrass beds, and the dugong is fading away, along with the myth that gave it life. We may be witnessing the last of this wonder before it's gone forever.